Welcome to my channel Kaurpaints. Starting with sketch. I have already taken measurements. I will explain methods of sketching in another video. I'm just defining all the measurements. I'm going to use these colors. These are acrylic paints. These colors are easily available in market. Splitting some water on my sheet. Acrylics dry too darker, so do light colors. I'm using different shades of skin tone, as you can see on my platte. Because acrylics dry too fast, it's too difficult for me to blend all colors, so I have to do it too much faster. As on forehead, that color dried up and I'm trying to blend that. For darker shades I'm gonna use sienna color, a little bit of green or more red color. As in the reference picture. Drawing eyebrows and eyes using two colors, sienna and black color. Giving light effect. I'm gonna use charcoal pencil to add details to my painting to make eyes more realistic. So I'm using charcoal pencil. As you can see, eyes are looking realistic. I'm defining nose using charcoal pencil, and then I'm gonna define it with a little bit of dark green and the reds mix up. Little bit brown color I have used. On lips I am using crimson, pink and white color. Drawing hairs and dupatta simultaneously. I'm drawing hairs and then I have to draw dupatta first. Dupatta means long scarf. To add details I'm using white color over here. As you can see, I have used three colors: green, white and black. Now using yellow color to make less. Also using brown color in it. On background using vermilion color. Drawing bricks using little bit black touch up in the same color. Coming to hand using same tones of skin color. lighter tones I'm using. Blend well. Adding details to the lace. Earring and her necklace. This is traditional Punjabi look. Finally it's ready. Signed on wrong place, but it's okay. Have a close look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.